Wow, we have MantisPod Z from PGYTECH. My favorite tripod from PGYTECH is back with an upgrade. It now has a very long extension mode, 540mm. It's basically like having another arm, which is amazing, especially if you guys are going out in the summertime to actually vlog with your action camera. This is going to be perfect. So there are 5 different modes in the MantisPod Z. So this is the extension mode. As you can see, yes, you can really extend far and wide. So this extension mode, it can take up to 500 grams in weight. So that means it can take any action camera, such as what I have, the Insta360 One RS. You can also use the latest DJI Osmo Action 4, as well as the smartphone as well, because all these are well below 500 grams. So let me quickly show you how I can install my smartphone onto MantisPod Z. I'll use PGYTECH mobile phone holder sold separately, and then attach the 1/4" QR plate, which is included with MantisPod Z. Tighten with a wrench, slide it in, and lock. So 500 grams, not a problem. It can be used for the action camera, smartphone, and of course, camera as well. The great thing about the PGYTECH MantisPod Z is that it comes with 2 adapters. So one suitable for GoPro type of action camera, and the other one is like universal adapter. But for heavier cameras up to 1 kilogram, let's transform MantisPod Z. Just lock everything so that everything is very stable. So in the normal tripod mode, you can go up to 1 kilogram. What does that mean? As you can see, I have a camera here. So I've swapped the camera. That's why there is a little bit of change of lens, you probably noticed. So my main YouTube camera, which is Sony Alpha 6400 with Sigma 60mm lens, together they actually weigh a little less than 1 kilogram. So since PGYTECH MantisPod Z includes the 1/4" QR plate, so all I need to do is just tighten it, make sure you have sort of the right direction, and then use the wrench included, tighten, and quickly just slide it in, lock it, and then quickly unfold the legs. And there you have the tripod mode that can go up to 1 kilogram in weight. So if you guys are a food vlogger, you might find this tripod mode setup really useful. Being a food vlogger is definitely not easy, but you get the point. This tripod mode is really useful when you want to have your camera, heavier camera, 1 kilogram camera, standing on a tabletop. The great thing about MantisPod Z is that there is this ball head that can move 360-degree panning. So I just need to loosen it, and it can go around 360 degrees and just stop wherever you need to. Also, tilting wise, it can go 86 degrees. So you can have this kind of angle as well. Not the most flattering angle. However, I've seen some big YouTubers actually do it this way as well, and it totally works. But you can really get a lot of different angles using this moving ball head. The third mode, and that's my favorite because it's the Mantis mode. So the MantisPod, as the name suggests, it can go into the crazy mantis shape. So I've just got my smartphone back because I think in this kind of MantisPod, I think most of you guys would use smartphone rather than an action camera. So in this kind of setup, so this is basically the tripod setup. I just need to flick this, which is hidden, and place it on a display or a fence or a chair like this. And it's actually totally fine because there are rubber, so it's actually very gentle on my display. And because there is an extension mode, you can actually extend the mobile phone out. So this is what you can get. So let me see how far it can go. And you can actually fix everything by just tightening this screw manually, so everything is really safe. And wow! This really works. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the MantisPod. Oh, and one more thing. If you just take it off as it is, and then I can use it like an extended tripod. Especially if you're using the tabletop to vlog or take, YouTube video. This is a great height, and you can always decrease the length by just folding it slightly. So MantisPod Z is so creative, so it's totally up to you on how you want to go with MantisPod Z. With such versatile MantisPod Z, it's so easy to carry around with because it's compact enough to be portable. When folded, it's a handy size of only 20 centimeters, so easily packs inside, for example, this PGYTECH One More Light backpack. This is the grip mode, and it's totally enough for action camera because action cameras are usually super duper wide angle mode. With the grip mode, you can attach a bigger camera, such as a compact camera, for me in this case, my mirrorless camera with smaller lens. And thanks to the non-slip grip, it's very easy to hold the camera for extended periods. It's very comfortable. Next, I'm going to show you the briefcase mode. And all I need to do is unlock all these joints and fold it like this. So all of them are stably locked, but you want to have the camera facing the other way. And it's so simple with this CapLock design. So I just need to unlock, press, slide out, turn the camera around and lock. This is it. So in this way you can carry your camera like this, which means you get the really low angle shot. So in this way, you know, if you are following skateboard, you're following some action, then you definitely get a more interesting shot. What's really amazing about the new release of MantisPod Z this time is this PGYTECH CapLock action camera quick release system. This is the action camera quick release system. So with action camera, many of you guys would want different mounting system, depending on where you're taking your action camera to. So here is the MantisPod Z, and this is the CapLock action camera extension tripod rod. With the extension pole tripod, you can get the camera to the height that you want. And because it's the CapLock action camera quick release system, I can easily slide my camera into the tripod. And this tripod also has the moving ball head, so you can use it as an extended selfie stick as well. And this is the magnetic mount, so it can go into anything magnetic. Wow, that was strong. And if you release the side security lock, then you can change the ball heads on both ends, all moving 360 degrees, so whatever orientation that you want. For my case, I'm facing the camera downwards, so it'd be perfect to take videos of you cooking on the stove. And look how strong the magnet is. The camera is really, really secure. So this is the suction cup mount. With the suction cup, I can easily put the mount onto the glass inside the car. The side lever again allows me to fold the mount into any direction that I want. So it really compactly sits well and captures the beautiful drive here. And this one, this looks a little bit like the SpaceX. This is a 3-arm suction mount. So this one, I guess, would be useful if you have a Jeep and you're going outdoor and you want to put the action camera in the outdoor area, then do definitely check out PGYTECH 3-arm suction mount. The next is the chest mount, and it's super convenient because all I need to do is wrap it around on my neck and then it's already locked. Just the button to release, the button at the back. And then if I put it back in, and it's automatically locked. And all I need to do is then wrap around the chest. This is a microphone, so don't mind that. For different size of bodies, of course, you can adjust. There is an adjustment to lengthen it and shorten it. So it's suitable for all sizes of body. And then action camera on the quick release system, all I need to do is just slot it in. And then of course the angle can be changed like this. And just tighten it a little bit. And I am ready to go. For those of you who'd rather attach the camera to the bicycle, then there is the mount suitable for the bike. For my bike, I don't need this extra rubber, so I'm just gonna take it out. But this bike mount is also for all sizes as well. I just need to wrap it around my bicycle. And there is a ball head, which means you can really take to different angle. But I'm just gonna put it sort of to 90 degrees to the ground. And from the chest mount onto other mounts, it's so simple. All I need to do is press the button at the bottom and I can just slide it up. Put it back, it's locked. Press the button, it's off. And then just slide it in here. And for this mount, I can lock it. For those of you who have more rounder helmet, not mine because it has a lot of different angles, but more rounder helmet, you can use the helmet mount as well, which has the 3M sticker. So this can go onto the helmet with the CapLock action mount quick release system. So now I'm sure most of you guys are out and about, really enjoying the sunshine of the summer freely. And you might have gotten your new action camera. So PGYTECH, they do have excellent product range and it has improved so much over the years, especially with this CapLock action camera quick release system. For more information on different promotional packages, do check out the link down below. And I'll be back with interesting gadget review. So see you!